Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the wild world of Memecoin. You've seen them explode. You've heard the crazy stories, and maybe you're wondering, how can I get in on the action without getting burned? Well, you've come to the right place. I'm about to share the secret playbook for trading money. Whether you're a total beginner or a seasoned pro looking for an edge, first things first, let's get one thing straight. Memecoins are driven by hype and community, not fundamentals. This isn't like buying stocks in a company with a long history. So, rule number 1 of our playbook is, only invest what you're truly willing to lose. Think of it as entertainment money, like buying a lottery ticket, but with way more community fun. Never, ever use money you need for rent, bills, or set a budget and stick to it religiously. Okay, with that crucial warning out of the way, let's talk strategy. The second rule is to do your degen research. This isn't about reading financial reports, it's about becoming part of the community. Join their Discord, follow their Twitter, and check out their Telegram. Is the community active and growing? Are the developers communicating? Is the meme itself actually funny and shareable? A strong, vibrant community is the lifeblood of any successful meme. If the channels are dead, it's a major red flag. Rule number 3. Timing is everything. Memecoins move incredibly fast. You need to get in relatively early, but not so early that the project is unproven. A good sign is seeing steady growth in community members and social media engagement before the price goes completely vertical. And here's the hardest part. Know when to take profits. Greed is the #1 portfolio killer in this space. It's a great idea to set profit targets beforehand. For example, you might decide to sell 50% of your holdings once you've doubled your initial investment. That way, you've secured your original capital, and the rest is pure house money. Finally, rule number 4. Use the right tools. Get familiar with platforms like DEX, Screener, or DX Tools to track prices in real time. Learn how to use a Web3 wallet like MetaMask or Phantom. Practice with small amounts first until you're comfortable with the process of swapping tokens. It can be a bit tricky at first, but with a little practice, it'll become second nature. Remember, this is high risk, high reward. Be smart, have a plan, and most importantly, have fun with it. The community and the memes are a huge part of the experience. That's our secret playbook. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more content, and let me know in the comments which Memecoin you're watching right now. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.